Wilma Wildcat has an assignment coming up. Fortunately, she has some research strategies up her sleeve. To get started with her research, Wilma goes to OneSearch on the library's homepage and types in Alice Walker and the color purple. She gets over 4,000 results. To get started from there, if she wanted to narrow this down some more, on the left-hand side she could click on articles, books, book chapters, or just a specific resource type that she's really interested in. She could also use the subject category to start narrowing down to a specific topic. To explore any of these records that have come back, she can click on them individually. Here we see that there's an ebook, and by clicking on the ebook, she can learn a little bit more about it by looking at the subject headings or reading the description. Under View It, she'll see a link that takes her out to the electronic book where she can put in her CWU credentials and then read the book. One of her favorite features about OneSearch is using the citation tool. When she clicks on citation, it pulls up a citation for the book in an APA, MLA, and Chicago formats, so she can choose the format that's most appropriate for her research project. She knows it's not always perfect, so she's going to have to reread it for grammar and spelling later on. When it comes to physical books, when she clicks on the record, it looks a little bit different because she has new options in the Get It category. When she's signed in to her library account, she can see options of Request Item, which will walk her through how to acquire the material through our picking it up at the library or requesting home delivery. If she's only looking for a small part of the book, she can also request a chapter, which will mean that the chapter gets emailed to her in a scanned PDF. Anytime she gets stuck in this process, she can also use the Ask Us feature and chat with someone at the library to help answer any of her research questions. And with a few simple steps, Wilma is on her way to finding resources for her project.